Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back. We are on lesson 18, and our learning target for today says that I can draw rectangles and rhombuses to understand their attributes and then define them based on those attributes. Attributes are just qualities, something that you can use when you look at something to tell what it is. My guess is that you can look at a square and know by its attributes, by its qualities, that you're looking at a square. Today we're going to look at a rhombus and a rectangle. And when you're drawing today, you may not have the drawing tool I have, but you should have a straight edge. You should not be freehanding these lines. Grab yourself a ruler or a book or a coaster or a cell phone, anything with a straight edge that will allow you to draw same size lines. And that's where we'll start today. We're drawing quadrilaterals just like we were last week. Those are four-sided figures. We'll start today by drawing a rhombus, and then we'll ask ourselves, what is it about this rhombus that's going to allow us to recognize a rhombus when we see it again? So I've just drawn line AC, okay, and I've put the letters out for these side lengths in advance just to save me a little time. But I knew I was drawing a four-sided figure, so that's why I put points A, B, C, and D. So we have two lines now that we've just drawn. That's AC and that's AB. All right, now we need to draw lines BD and CD. So let's connect those and draw them out. Now that's a rhombus. I want you to look at this rhombus and ask yourself, what's unique about this shape? Well, you may have noticed that all of the line lengths are the same. That means that they're congruent. Line AC is the same length as line AB, and it's also the same length as line BD and CD. If you take a peek over at our chart here, telling us about the features of a rhombus, you'll notice it says that there are four congruent sides. What else did you notice? You may have said, I noticed that there are two sets of parallel lines. AC is parallel to BD, and AB is parallel to CD. Those are features or attributes of a rhombus. So you know, whenever you see a four-sided shape that has two pairs of parallel lines and all the side lengths are equal, you are looking at a rhombus. Now let's draw a rectangle. Let's get our same tool and draw straight lines. We're going to start with line AB. Then we're going to draw line AD. Two more lines, BC and DC. What do you notice about this shape? This quadrilateral, this four-sided shape. That's right. It's got four right angles. Four right angles, or four 90-degree angles. Here's one, here's one, here's one, and here's one. What else did you notice? Good. Its opposite sides are parallel. So line AD and BC are parallel, and lines AB and DC are parallel. This line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. That means they're equal distance apart and they never intersect. Great job. Now you know the attributes that will allow you to recognize these four-sided shapes when you see them, the rhombus and the rectangle.